bad, right? Is a VAWA RFE bad? So an RFE, for those of you who are unfamiliar, stands for request for evidence, right? So RFE stands for request for evidence. For any application that you file, you may get a request for evidence from the government if they want you to provide more evidence on one of the basic requirements for that type of immigration status. So for VAWA, the most common ones that I see are additional proof of abuse in the marriage, and additional proof that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. Okay, so once we're able to respond to that, usually, right, we can respond to that with an additional statement from you. We can help you draft that, because what we'll do is do an intake. We'll get all the information that we need. We'd put that together, right? And evidence of abuse is very limited, usually for the cases that we represent. We have not seen a ton of evidence of abuse for most of our VAWA cases. Most of it is the detailed declaration that we work with you in putting together of all of the different types of abuse that happen in the marriage. So that is the main piece of evidence that we use. So we will do a supplemental declaration. We do supplemental, maybe affidavits, and we brainstorm other ways or explain why there's not additional evidence for proof of a good faith marriage, right? And submit that. And most of our cases after RFE have been approved pretty quickly. So many VAWA cases get approved without even an RFE. So the idea is to prepare a strong packet up front. You don't have an RFE, and then you don't necessarily, it'll get approved. But even if you do have an RFE, I don't think that's a bad thing, because you can respond and it can get approved fairly quickly as well. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.